Alright, test. exFAT with the two newest files loaded. 27th of the 2nd, 24, and I don't know, 23rd of the 1st, 24, 23. Power on. Door open. There she goes. That was the first file for the front camera. Now it's doing the second file for the back camera. Looked like it was struggling there for a minute. Updating the rear camera, it says now. Looks like it's rebooted, powered off, and it's restarted all by itself.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Great. Turn on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi enabled.
There it is, it just came up now.
Wi-Fi connected.
There we are, it's still connecting. Start up the app. Don't know what the hell happened there. Why it came up like that. Note that the camera is running only Wi-Fi, no 4G. Don't know how that happened. Let's see what firmwares I've got to offer. unable to connect to the server, of course, so I need to switch on 4G. I just did that, switched it on, and now go back here, firmware. Current firmware is up to date. Okay, so can't really do much with that. If it's up to date, it's up to date. So let's just fix these settings up. Again, still doesn't work. 4G is blinking the screen. To fix that, I need to switch off my mobile data. Turn on screen. And they should be exactly the same time. Let's see now. It says it's 15:18, so does my phone. Go into the settings. We'll race down to the bottom to the firmware version. It is 1.2-24.02.27. 1.2- 24.02.27. So we should see an update there now. Let's see, is it updated yet? I'll just get out of there.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Turn on screen. No, hasn't updated that there. Why not? (24:02:27) is right. App is version 4. Rear camera is 2312. It appears that the Nikon doesn't like to record past 7 minutes. Must be a setting I haven't done probably. And how many more digits can I put into this? 11 is allowed. Okay, so turn on screen.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Turn on screen. Alright, you can see both of those sort of. So I'll turn the camera off and on. See what happens there. They're just car beeps. Okay, we'll put the power back on. It shows it was disconnected. It's come good. Let's see if this is smart enough.
2 channels started.
Now after it's rebooted, it's got the right number, 2702 270224. It's having a cry about the camera here. So just make sure that the Wi-Fi is working again. It's not. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, it's turned it on.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Just came up now.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay. Start the app up again. Turn on screen. Turn on screen. Okay. So there we have it. It's finished. Both clocks say 1523, yeah? If I see if I can do a firmware update now that it's rebooted. Oh, so I have to start 4G up again. Okay, do that again. Current firmware is up to date. That's as far as I can go. There we go. Fun and games.